Good morning, Bastien May from BVN Real Estate. I'm here 3 blocks from the beach, looking a very strange property, very interesting in my mind, but very strange. The access the property stops here, and here is like a chair area that the neighbors chairs. So the entrance and the access is very strange. Probably you won't find it cool, but yeah, let's see and have a look. So we pass through houses. It's a public road, so we have all the right to pass here. We are in between the house, so it could be elected as the strangest access to the property. Not too many stairs. The big surprise is over there. There is like a work on the last works on the access to do. Before we are just before the ranch that we see on the back now. The dog took something bad, I guess. So okay, here you see our view. So it's a very small lot with a strand access. It has 2 access road, 2 access paths. Okay, so we are the same size lot as the ranch just before. So our lot start here in this pond and is where is my friend now, and goes down. So it's 8 meters large for about or 9 meters large for about like 8 meters or 10 meters deep, falling, but with also an incredible view. So next door they have been putting some posts, and they will do like one apartment, 2-level apartment with very nice stage, I would say, give you like an amazing privacy. So it's the same type of deal that I offer you buying this lot. The owner, the asking price, the listing price is today $15,000. I had 2 offers there, was not been accepted by the owners. Payment over 12 months or reduced price, and it didn't work. So it's special, of course, special land, but it's the only one available at this price in city center. We listen the wave from here. So in front of dockside, what's the best? And we are like a walking distance. So going on my right, I will finish the pass and arrive in front of the hotel Victoriano. So 2-way to access, of course walking. One on my south, and it's about like 70 meters to arrive to the property. The other a bit longer, probably like 150 meters to arrive. So no parking lot, of course, on the property. But trust me, it will rent, or trust me, it will be a very good place to live. You are out of the noise, out of the road, so which is good. It's a family neighborhood, so it's, I will say, safe, no worry. Yeah. Okay, goodbye, see you.